Welcome back to another quick guide. Today I'll teach you how to make live wallpaper for iPhone without TikTok. To create a live wallpaper for your iPhone without using TikTok, you can use the Photos app along with a third-party app to convert videos or photos into live photos. Here's a step-by-step guide to do this. First, record a video using the camera app. Alternatively, choose an existing video from your Photos app. To convert video into live photo, you can use an app like Into Live. Just follow these steps. Go to the App Store and download the Into Live app. Tap Open to launch the app and grant it access to your photos. Tap Next, then tap Get Started. Tap Agree and Continue. Tap New Project. Tap Allow Full Access. Choose the video you want to convert into a live photo, then tap Add. At the bottom panel, you will see the editing tools. You can also trim the video if necessary. Live photos have a maximum duration of 5 seconds. Tap the Save button on the top right, then tap Live Photo. Tap Save to Photos to save it to your Photos app. Find the live photo you created in the Photos app. Tap the share icon, a box with an arrow pointing up. Scroll down and tap Use as Wallpaper. Make sure live photo is selected. It should be at the bottom of the screen. Adjust the size and position if necessary using the pinch to crop. Then tap on Add on the top right. Choose Pair depending on where you want the live wallpaper to appear. And that's all for now, folks. Thanks for watching.